Family and Friends, 2nd edition, Starter.
Hello and welcome back to our English program. Today's unit is Unit 1, What color is it? Lesson 5, Sounds and Letters. Listen, trace, and point, and repeat. But first, let's listen. Letter D. D, D, dog. One more time. Letter D. D, D, dog. Next word. Letter D. D, D, duck. One more time. Letter D. D, D, duck. Now let's learn how to trace the letter D together. Grab your pencil and trace along with me. This is letter D. This is also letter D. Now, after we learn how to trace the letter D together, let's take a look at listen and repeat after me. Letter D. D, D, dog. One more time. Letter D. D, D, dog. Next one. Letter D. D, D, duck. Letter D. D, D, duck. Now, next section is listen and chant.
A dog and a duck. D, D, D. A dog and a duck. D, D, D. Dog, dog, dog. D, D, D. Duck, duck, duck. D, D, D. A dog and a duck. D, D, D. A dog and a duck. D, D, D.
Now, after we listen to our chant, let's moving on to our next section. Stick and say. Let's take a look at our sticker. Consists of letter C and letter D. Now, let's take a look at this section over here. Let's take a look at our picture. What picture is it? It's a duck. D, D, duck. So which of these two stickers match the word duck? Is it C or is it D? That's right. It's the letter D. D, D, duck. So get this sticker and stick it right over here. Next picture. What is it? It's a cat. K, cat. Now, which of these two stickers match the word cat? Is it the letter C or is it letter D? That's right. It's letter C. Get the letter C sticker and stick it right over here. Our next picture is a picture of a dog. That's right. D, D, dog. Now, which of these two stickers match the word dog? Is it letter C or is it letter D? That's right. It's letter D. So get the sticker and stick it right over here. Dog. Next word. What is it? It's a car. That's right. Car. Now, which of these two stickers match the word car? Is it letter C or is it letter D? That's right. It's letter C. So, get your sticker and stick it right over here. Letter C. Car. Now, after you're done sticking the sticker, we have come to an end of our lessons for today. Thank you.